All right, so today we're gonna go over the belt squat, how to set it up, and how to do it right. So this particular belt squat is set up so that you can either squat or do a glute focus or even a weighted dip. So this will get put away when you don't need it for the dips. Okay, so the first thing you'll wanna do, we'll go empty, because this has a 68-pound starting weight. I'm gonna get inside the belt. I'm gonna let it sit on my hips, kind of like an ammo belt. So I wanna make sure that this is short enough so that when I stand up, it'll give me enough range of motion to get deep enough in my squat. So I'm a little bit on the shorter side, so I have it here. If you don't like all these extra links, we can clip that in too. I like the sound of links though. All right, so once it's on, I'm gonna squat, so I'm gonna either go the first or second hole with my hook. I'm gonna stand up, so I'm gonna get nice and close. I'm gonna hold on to this handle here. I'm gonna stand up. Immediately, the safety arm is gonna release, so it's gonna get out of the way here. I'm gonna make sure my feet are about hip width apart, toes are slightly turned out, and I can see myself in the mirror. I have a neutral spine. I'm gonna hold on to the handles. I'm gonna send the hips back, push those knees out, and then stand all the way up. Squeeze the cheeks at the top. Drop, stand. When I finish my set, all I do is pull this handle, drop, and then take the hook out before I finish, okay? To load up the machine, we have capacity here as well as here. So this is meant for like the bigger plates, the 100-pound plates. We also have little, I forget what these call, little pegs here that you can put bands on as well for added resistance. So you do the same thing if you wanted to do a dip. You can either do a weighted dip with the belt here, or you can just hop up and perform your dip there as well.